How to sign in into Lloyds Bank Online Banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Lloyds Bank and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, lloydsbank.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Lloyds Bank. Now over here, you'll find this option of personal. Click on it. And then click on the option of log on. Now go ahead and select any of the option, personal or business. You will be directed to the login page. Now from this page, you are able to log into your account. You have to provide your credentials. So type in your user ID and then type in your password. In the case you want to remember your user ID, check in for this option. If you have forgotten your logon details, you can click on this option to recover it. In the case you haven't registered for your account, you can click on this option and register for it. Once you fill this, click on continue, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into Lloyds Bank Online Banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.